report is giving us a look into how local kids are faring when it comes to their overall well-being.
Well, 7 News' Kelly Lynn is live for us in Gaithersburg to break down the findings of this new report.
Good morning. I am at Pleasant View Park in Gaithersburg. This is one of more than 400 parks in Montgomery County where lots of kids gather. To tell you more about that report, it is released annually and assesses children all across the country when it comes to things like academics and health and family income. For Maryland and Virginia, the Kids Count report shows steady progress in some areas, but setbacks in others. Let's focus on Maryland right now. The report finding in 2023, children in this state made improvements in the area of economic well-being as well as family and community, but experienced declines in education and health. For example, 4th and 8th graders lacked proficiency in reading and math. More preschoolers did not attend school, and more high school students did not graduate on time. I asked Laura Wheeldryer of the Maryland Family Network, which advocates for high-quality child care, to respond to the findings.
Maryland has been pretty steadily in the middle of the pack for years. And I guess that I would say is a disappointment considering we're one of the wealthiest states in the nation. And there have been huge initiatives like the Blueprint for Maryland's Future that have yet to show up in these in the results that Kids Count reports on.
And that report ranked Maryland 21 when it comes to child well-being. Coming up in the next half hour, I'll tell you where Virginia stands when it comes to the Kids Count report. Live in Gaithersburg, Kelly Lynn, 7 News.
6:44 your time, and how are Virginia children holding up when it comes to their overall well-being? 7 News' Kelly Lynn is live this morning to break down the findings of a new report that ranks states across the country. Kelly, good morning.
Good morning to you. The Annie E. Casey Foundation recently released its Kids Count data book. That foundation based right here in Maryland. Now, it assesses child well-being all across the country. And the report gives Virginia an overall rank of 13 when compared to states around the country. It shows in 2023 there were improvements in teen births, children living in poverty, and high school students graduating on time. Now, some of the challenges, according to this report, are an increase in child and teen deaths, teens missing school, and a rise in 4th and 8th graders lagging in reading and in math. Laura Wheeldryer of the Maryland Family Network, which advocates for high-quality child care, says many students are still trying to recover from the impact of COVID. She's concerned changes at the federal government level could worsen well-being scores for area kids.
There have been tremendous federal layoffs. We know that what's happening at the federal government level is having an outsized impact. It's hard not to see this data in the context of, what's happening now that's going to impact kids' lives as we continue to measure these indicators.
And if you'd like to read the full Kids Count report, you can go to our homepage. Live in Gaithersburg, Kelly Lynn, 7 News.
Well, happening